What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the inside door panel on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. You're going to take a trim tool and just get underneath this trim right here. Slide it out, there's a little clip. I'm going to take this piece off right here, this little trim cover goes under here. Just use the trim tool. Grab that. There's clips that hold that in. Clips right there on top and bottom and on the front. I want to take this cover off. Just use the trim tool in here. Just get under there. Pry that out. There's clips that hold that in. Two right there, clip there, there, there and there. Take the trim tool, go in right behind here. Slide up. And this slides right out. There's clips right there. Clip right there on the sides. And this just makes it easier to disconnect this connector rather than leaving this connected. So there's a little lock right there. Push down on that lock. If you take a trim tool, get in right here or right here. You can't pull on the wires because it's separate from the connector. There we go. It slides up like that, and then you can disconnect the connector. Now there's 3 Phillips head screws right there. I'm just going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take these out. If you have to, use a magnet. Get them out. Take that one out. Now I'm going to take a trim tool, go around the door panel, some clips. Twist to the side a little bit. Just grab the door panel, slide it up slightly, slip it out. There you go, comes off nice and easy. Now we'll take this door panel. We want to slide the wiring harness through there. And then take the handle, slide the handle through there. Get that in position. That looks good. Now we're going to slide the panel from up top near the window. Get that lined up first. Once that's lined up, just check to see if these pins are lined up with the holes. When they are, just give it a little tap. Go all the way around like that and just make sure the panel is flush with the door and it looks good. Now I'm going to take these screws, the longer ones are going to go in where the handle is, right there, and use a Phillips head screwdriver. Tighten that up. And this one's going to go right here where the handle is, for the door handle. We can put this cover on first. Doesn't really matter which order you put them on. Lock that in place. Put this cover on right here. Lock it in place. Take the window switch. You want to line up the connector. Push that in and then push down that little lock down. Take this, position this right here first and then push down on the front, just like that. Take this little cover, just line this up, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.